A tranquil escape that blends rustic charm with the comforts of a modern getaway. It's the story of RafJam Bed and Breakfast. Here's Deidre Thomas with this week's edition of the Business Review. Tucked away in the serene hills of St. Andrew, this steady rush of water seems to wash away the noise of the outside world. Here, at a RafJam Bed and Breakfast, nature doesn't just surround you, it embraces you.
In 2009, I started the bed and breakfast. My ex-husband, Raphael, had a blog called RafJam at the time, where he was writing about Jamaica. He's Belgian. And I asked him for the name, and he said yes. So RafJam means Raphael, Jamaica.
But long before the name became synonymous with a rest stop for travelers, it was just a piece of land inherited by CEO Susan de Campos Palmero.
I never wanted to be without company, and I thought maybe it would be nice to start hosting people here as a retreat type of bed and breakfast. We had my room. So I came out of my room and host the guest in there. From one guest to another, whenever we get like 2 guests, I would say to my sons, you have to come out of your room. And they would pack up their stuff and come out.
Starting with just that one modest bedroom, the property expanded, now boasting 10 rooms, each with its own bathroom, attracting a wider cross-section of clientele.
So we have a restaurant and bar. We serve delicious food. We have a lovely gift shop. We have our spa. We're putting in a gym and an outdoor fitness center at the back.
While locals now represent the majority of guests, the bed and breakfast also attracts international visitors, with peak season foot traffic reaching a high of 70 on a good day.
It's very hot, but I really like it. I didn't really know what to expect from Jamaica, but I like it, yeah.
It's a good Jamaican experience.
With a team of 4 staff, each day is a careful balancing act.
There are always challenges. One of my biggest challenges is the road. I have to gear up mentally. My partner would say, you're good to be able to deal with these guests, because sometimes they come and they're like traumatized from the road.
Still, Ms. Palmero says the daily bustle never diminishes her ambition, especially now, after seeing at least 70% growth.
The long-term plan for me is to complete what we're doing on property, and then just take it a notch up and cater.
For the Business Review, I'm Deidre Thomas.